Old PNB building?
Yung?
Old PNB building.
Yung ano?
Yung CCM na.
Yung dating siya. Kaya lang pa yun ah. Kaya lang pa ba yun tayo?
Hospital ng Manila. Hindi ako hospital ng Manila.
Sanglay Point.
Huwag mo na sila naman.
I just detected the motor. Look, I just detected the girl's motor.
Hindi ba kaka-renovate lang yun?
Look out.
Ano ba yan? Kirikada Fire Station. San Andres? Wala na pala akong ano eh. Pati pala yung school namin. Binenta. Ang ina pala na sa school.
Yo!
Binenta ka kasi nga wala kang pondo Manila mo po.
Jesus.
Yo, bro!
Pero yung mga taga Quezon City,
Look at this window. Oh my God.
Pinaswab niya ng libre. Galing gamit yung ano ng Maynila. Gago pala siya.
Who, bro? Tung 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 sahur.
Wala dyan sa CCM, sa ano, sa San Andres, sa basketball court na
Look
ginagamit
at this.
namin.
So, bro, I can't believe that. Oh my God.
Ang ina ng video.
Wow. Hey, yo.
Anong CCM? Yung mismong ano? Yung bago ngayon?
Hindi, yung ano, yung wall nga.
Yung
Oh my God.
PNB building o
Hindi na sa
yung
ano yun? Anong kanyang Skolta?
Skolta? Yung bago, hindi naman niya binenta pa.
Doon nga.
Remember to rotate your phone.
Kasi pag binenta niya,
Oh my God. Look at this.
wala kami binabayad.
Oh my gosh.
Ang ano, gagalit pa kami.
Gosh. My gosh. See this? See this? Whoa, that tree is... The wind is destroying that tree. And that Berber patapin looking tree. It's getting destroyed. LOL. Y'all, look at this. That palm tree. Oh my God, it's a TV. I mean, this is not a TV. It's a pony. Sorry. Come on. Come on. Ayo, the camera's not working. Can someone rub this? What? It's oil. Bro, it's covered with oil. So that's why the camera is not working. LOL. And yeah, bro, the palm tree. And that normal tree. Wait, what happened to the plant? That circular tree? Oh! This Berber patapin looking tree is just looking like Berber patapin. Brr, brr, patapin. Y'all, look at this plant. Hey, yo. Bro. Ding, 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 ding. And the sunlight is... Wait a minute. It's still right here! And that climate change. I hate climate change. The sunlight is still here.
Nahulog yan.
That's why I hate climate change. What the? I just spotted that tricycle! Oh my god! Wow. The Berber Patapim looking tree. The circular tree. It's with Berber Patapim looking tree.
Ano yan?
Bye bye.